Stumbled on a ZINS file and your software won't recognize it? This is a data file produced by a specialized application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through identifying and opening these ZINS data files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like ZINS. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. ZINS files are data files associated with a specific application storing program data, such as record settings or content. The format holds structured information used by its parent software and typically requires that application or a compatible tool to open and interpret the contents correctly. ZINS files store application-specific data organized in a structure defined by the originating program with field values, records, and metadata. The internal layout may be binary or text-based, arranging the data so the parent software can read and reconstruct its working content and state. The fundamental software link for ZINS files is built around Notepad++ by Don Ho. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows offers only top-level details, so proper interpretation depends on the correct application. Your key initial action: right-click the ZINS file and select Open With. If Notepad++ is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the ZINS file opens. If the ZINS file won't open, don't panic. The highly specific nature of the ZINS file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, identifying the source application. Determine which program created the ZINS file by checking its folder, installed software, and any related files. The parent application is the most reliable way to open it. Identifying the correct software ensures the data is interpreted and displayed properly when loaded. Next, opening as text. Open the ZINS file in a text editor, such as Notepad++, to check whether the data is stored as readable text. If legible, you can review the structure and values directly. This inspection helps determine the format and which application is required to open it. Finally, searching for format support. If the originating program is unknown, search online for the ZINS extension to find compatible viewers or converters. Some data formats are shared across tools. Match the file structure to a known application that can import or convert ZINS data into an accessible format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.